Good morning, Mohammed.
Good morning.
Welcome to Abu Dhabi Skydive.
Yeah, thank you.
Tell me please, what are you doing today?
I'm going to jump with Skydive Abu Dhabi.
Oh, right. Nice. So, is it your idea?
Yes, I wanted to do it since long time now, so finally I'm getting it today.
Nice, nice. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Excited maybe, huh?
Excited, yes.
Okay. One more question. Did you understand all the instructions?
Yes, I understand.
Ready to skydive?
Ready to skydive.
Okay, let's do this.
Let's
See
do
you.
this.
Body sour like a lemon tree. I'm just smiling down upon my enemies. Do the shit I love it on a daily. Say you hate your job, but you'll never leave, never leave. But hey, I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Hey, I'm on vacation. If you don't like your life, then you should go and change it. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Hey, every single day, every single day, every single day. Hey. Every single day, every single day, every single day, every single day. Hey. Every single day. Van Gogh, my earlobe. I can't hear, I'm here though. I may be a weirdo, but this is my year, yo. My life may be crazy. My lack of the lazy has let me do shit that I love on the daily. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
How was it?
I loved it.
You can.
You gotta do it again or what? I will join a class, I think. Good. Fantastic.
Can you stand
Take
up?
it to job every time, man. Oh, sorry.
Okay, tell me, how was it?
It's amazing.
Scary?
Yes, it's great.
It's great.
Yeah, yeah.
Did you enjoy?
I loved it.
Nice. Oh, give a 5 to your instructor. Nice. Nice job. Thank you.
Every single day, every single day.